An inspection by the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, who was accompanied by the Executive Member in charge of Markets, Grace M Kharpuri, and other officials of the Council, was conducted today, the 29th of August 2023, at the Ïewduh or Bara Bazaar area in Shillong. The Chief Executive Member of the Khadc, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, had stated the fact that the Council is concerned about the safety and security of all citizens, especially in and around the Bara Bazaar area, where theft is a daily activity committed by miscreants. Insofar as safety measures are concerned, Pyniaid Sing Syiem informed that the Khadc will see to it that the street lightings and closed-circuit TV cameras will be checked and installed at all areas in and around the marketplace.
Kumjuru kanika parking kiwan kini kali kita haru nasha bar street kiyang hangtay bat baru kita kijabo yung dokha katuat ko sini sharom kabala sta pat buat eka jingpet jok Ïewmawlong takum kini ki ingin hapan jimkya kamdai ka jingkhu jing suba tang bangin internet habang ipet saudong sukun habakhuit suba ngiakwat yakya katakan ka bangi .com ka health conscious jungi neka health issues ke jungi ke bangi kuat ban penlong de si kibreu ki jat peneu Khasi jungi ru ki bakhoi bersuba bat ban kot ban kia area Ïewduh jaka jong ka this council ngin let nakaliang jungi ngin implement nakaliang jungi ban bu ki street light proper lightings bat kumju ki CCTV te habide bat kini ki area jong ka municipal muda nganam la ban keren than ya kata ngila tang man shu ajimut yaki bakin penmai no kini ki CCTV but lightings.
In the meanwhile, the CEM of the Khadc, who was accompanied by the Executive Member in charge of Markets, Grace M Kharpuri, and the Syiem of Ïewmawlong, Manik Syiem, and officials from the state government, had also inspected the area along the GS road, where it was found that there is much congestion due to the encroachment of non-tribal hawkers onto the roadside. Based on the outcome of the inspection, the CEM of the Khadc stated that the hawkers had been immediately evicted from the area, and at the same time an order has been issued wherein all owners or vendors of such stalls are to be checked for trading licenses and also to approach the council for clarification on ownership of such stalls.
Andang iyat nang nina po hem lat bimolash ni sa Motphran ni bon ma ki dekhar ki nyumo ngatrai ki khal muslim ki di juti ki di katpomon hang tu ki ran ke business jongki bat meneng lap baki syong hita ki tu ki dekhar bat marmar hi la pha ya superintendent jong ka enforcement jongi council ban talasi ban tokit naki la ki don nem ki trade license lada kim don ki trade license menne hing la ai order ai ringkat ia mencharge market ban weng no ikitu ki jing dek ju ban lada don manu ki Khasi balik kam kalau ong sobha wan ai jing pensyai po office mendai ban pensyai tu po cakap ya mentah la pha e kata ban sampai manu bawan kam